Hi YouTube! Today we are going to be making a nourishing face oil with just 2 ingredients. Join me and let's create together. Welcome! Today we are going to be making a very moisturizing face oil with just 2 ingredients. The oil I will be using today is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a very lovely oil. It's actually a liquid wax, and it's the oil that best and closely matches our skin's sebum. Our sebum is the oil that we naturally release from our skin. Jojoba helps to balance oil production of the skin. If you have too much oil in your skin, jojoba will help to control that. And conversely, if you don't have enough, it will help you create the right amount. So I'm just pouring just a little bit into my bowl here. This is just a 10 ml bottle that we're using today, so I'm not pouring too much in there. I'm going to just wipe that off the table, always wiping it onto my hands. We know that jojoba helps control the oil production in your skin. What it also does is it's very moisturizing, which is an obvious one as it is an oil, but it's non-comedogenic, which means that it will not clog your pores. Now that we have our oil, we are going to add lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is very good for the skin. It's actually one of the essential oils that you can use directly on the skin. It's very therapeutic oil, and that's why it's used in so many products. It helps to heal wounds, helps to treat the skin. So I'm just going to add 1 and 2 drops. It's a 10 ml bottle, so I'm not going to add any more than 2 drops to our oil. And from here we just mix. So as I was saying, jojoba is a very good oil. Not only is it non-comedogenic, but it also helps with breakouts. It helps control breakouts, and therefore it can help control and treat acne. It also helps to reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles, which means it's very nourishing for dry skin. To ensure that my formulation is ready to be bottled, I just dab my chopstick into my bowl. I dab it on the back of my hand here, and I just work it in. And what I am looking for is consistency. Is it smooth? Does it enter the skin deeply? And how is the scent? Oh, the scent is perfect. It's not overpowering. As you can see, I don't have an oily or greasy look to the back of my hand. It's just nice and moisturized. So from here, I know that it is ready to be bottled. The bottle I'm going to be putting the face oil in is this beautiful amber bottle with just a gorgeous gold cap. And I actually have a collection of these bottles left over from a previous project, so I figure why not use it for this. I'm going to uncap my bottle, and then I have another amber bottle. And what I'm going to be doing with this bottle is I'm actually going to be using the dropper. So I'm not going to be using the bottle itself, and I'm going to be squeezing the oil from here to in here. See little funnels around? I really should get one. Then you can use your little funnel to fill your bottle, but I find because this is a small bottle, this method works fine. Now obviously this is not going to work if this is a larger bottle. You will be here all day, but for this project it works. So here we are, almost. I think I'm almost done. I think from here I might actually be able to just pour everything in. So wish me luck. Here goes. Oh yeah, there we go. Good. Got everything in there. Got everything, a little bit drop on the side, but that's okay. That's okay, nothing goes to waste here. Cap the bottle. Let me just wipe my hands together. And here we are. Our beautiful 2 ingredient face oil is complete. So I'm going to take off my dropper. I'm going to actually use it on this hand this time. Let's see. Oh, once again, beautiful oil. Beautiful jojoba oil with lavender essential oil for the skin. There you go, everybody. Our oil is complete. Let me know if you try to make this oil. Let me know how you like it if you've been using it. And if you like this video, press that like button and subscribe. Have a great one. And thank you so much for creating with me.